Hello friends, I am Ankit and welcome to my channel. I am here with my weekly predictions and analysis for crude oil and natural gas. Last week, I hope you all would have profited nicely as we expected. I had given a target for $6.5 on natural gas. It has achieved successfully and closed the week with a drop at 6.35. At the same time, oil we were expecting a drop and it went below $95 levels, which was very crucial support. In fact, went close to 93.5 and then bounced back and closed the week at 97.5. I hope you all profited. Now, what is going to happen next week and how we can make good profits next week? Also, we are going to look with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon so that you can stay tuned with the latest analysis. My next analysis on oil and natural gas is going to get released on Monday morning along with the Asia session, in which I am also going to share the gold, silver and FTSE 100, Germany 40, Dow Jones, Nasdaq and Nifty analysis as well. So do watch that analysis and definitely it will help you in your day trading decisions. Now let's start the day with natural gas first. See, NG showed first red candle after a long winning streak, and if you can see, this is a minor retracement here. After that, a winning streak, and then a minor drop. I can say, but only if it breaks below 6.2 I'll recommend you to go short, else it is good to go long here still. But yes, it is overbought, that is what I'll say. We'll come back to indicators. First, let's have a look at the details view on NG. You can see it is trading in this bullish channel. The highs and lows well respected here. Now the support zone of this channel is at $6 levels. In fact, as the days pass by, we may see 6.1, 6.2 at the bottom of this channel, and breaching this channel, I will expect that it may try to retrace more. So if it breaches this channel, if it breaches $6 levels any point of time, also look at this. See the $6 levels now. Couple of candles here have got it as a strong support, and now this level at 6.02 should be a very strong support for NG for any further drop. If it drops below 6.02, then my next support level at 5.65 will come into picture. This is going to be a major support zone between 5.65 and 5.5. Now we will be watchful. If it sustains above this level, I'll tell you how we can make profit here. Now look at last three candles, specifically last three candles, or rather I will say, see every alternate candle it has tried to, these two candles the highs are well connected, these two candles the highs are well connected here. So it is trying to trade with this channel, it is trying to trade in this zone itself. So, and yes, this is the first red candle here, and if you see it trading the lows of the previous candle getting breached here at around 6.2, you can take a short position at 6.2, then one can make profit till 6.02. Definitely you will achieve this target and you can make good money out there by trading or taking a short entry at 6.2 there, and one can remain short below 6.2 with 6.02 as the target, and then below that we can see a strong drop till towards 5.8, 5.65 and below levels. So this is first strategy you can adopt, where you can make profit by selling NG at 6.2. At the same time, we must not forget that from 6.2, if you see it 6.2, it can try to bounce back again, so we have to be very cautious there. Now let's come back to the weekly charts before we conclude, and I'll give you the trading levels here. Now look at this on the weekly charts. This zone between $4 to $5 is important. I gave a strong shout here that till the time it remains above 4.4, 4.5, we can expect a strong rally on NG. That is what has happened. 4 consecutive successful week and strong bullish candles is what we can see here. Now look at this last 2 candles. If you look at last 3 candles, see one, you can say consolidatory move, then a green candle, a small candle, then a big green candle. So this time again it left a small wick out there or upper shadow out there, indicating there is still possible room for NG to rise. So if it starts flat, and rises above 6.5, you can still go long, and you can expect that we may see a third green candle here, or maybe the fifth green candle here successfully, where it can take a rise till towards $7 or beyond. So I'll be watchful of that. Any move beyond 6.5 will definitely try to take it towards $7 levels, so I'll be watchful and cautious of that. See, this is on the weekly charts. Also look at the weekly charts here. See, this was the rally, then bigger moves, consolidation in this zone, then retracement, consolidation here, then rise, double top, in fact rising beyond the previous highs. So from here I'll be watchful if it tries to give a red candle now. So once it drops below this zone at $6, I'll expect a stronger drop further. So below $6, my target is going to be 5.8 and below levels. And yes, where to go short? $6.2, you can go short for 6.02, and if you see it trading below 6.02, you can expect a further sharper drop. But don't forget that it appears strongly bullish here. Only 4 green candle and 1 sharp green candle may appear on NG, where you can expect it to hit $8 also. If it went past, if it trades successfully above this zone at 6.5, 6.6, you may see a strong sharp rally again on NG. Now this is on the weekly charts out there, very bullish move. Also look at this, let me come back to the monthly charts also. Now look at the monthly charts here. NG on monthly charts. See this zone here at 6.5. It has provided a stronger resistance previously. Now again providing a stronger resistance. And previously when it was trading well above these levels, it was a strong support from 6 to $6.5 levels. It was a strong support here, and we have seen multiple candles taking support here at 6.5, and NG bouncing back from here. This was way back in 2005 to 2010. After that it slid well below, sustained in this zone for long, that is between $2 to $4. Now is the time for NG to break this barrier. Probably we may see a strong rise here, and you can expect NG to come back again till $8 levels, the first target, and in fact it can go well past this zone also. So be cautious, be alert. We may still see a strong green candle here. Now look at the monthly candle here. See, previous candle 4.5 to 5.6, 5.7, and this time 5.6, 5.7 to, see, almost 1.2, 1.3 dollars movement we have seen. This time again, at least it may try to hit 1.2, 1.3, that is $7 levels in the month of April. So in the month of April we may see achievement, we may see natural gas achieving almost $7 levels, and in fact it can try to go past this zone and give higher highs. It can try to hit 7.4, 7.6, 7.8 and $8 levels also in the coming months. That is what is can be expected here. See, after this minor consolidation, how beautiful it is trading in this bullish zone. And the high of this channel, if you see, the high of this channel for the month is at around $7 levels, and the low at around $5. So I'll be watchful here. And now let's have a look at the indicators and try to summarize our findings here. If you look at the indicators on the daily charts, you will find that, see, NG trading at the extremes of the Bollinger Bands, in fact went outside the Bollinger Bands, and hence a minor retracement can be expected. The support zone at 5.5 is very strong, and yes, it is trading about 20, 50, 100 moving average, extremely bullish zone, and hence you can expect it to come back till towards 6.2, 6.02 levels. And yes, if it breaks this, you can expect that it may try to retrace till 5.8 and 5.65 levels. In fact, this zone at 5 to 5.65, 5.5 to 5.65 is going to be important, and from there it can try to give you a stronger rise. So a minor retracement can be expected, but still it is buy the dip. For the longer run, you can expect NG to rise again till towards $7 levels in the month of April itself. Now look at the stochastic. See, stochastic here, it has sustained overbought levels for long, minor retracement, then again overbought levels for long. Now it is trying to retrace back. Possibly it may try to come back again, give a further sharp drop, take it towards 5.8, and from there the rise or the rally can begin again. So it may try to cool off a bit for next couple of days, give red candles, couple of red candles, take it towards $6 levels, and then the rally should start, where couple of green candles will take it towards 6.5, 6.8 and $7 levels as well. So this is what on the charts can be seen. Also look at the MACD here. MACD white divergent and still on the buy side here, and RSI is strongly overbought. So yes, it is strongly overbought. Here it was strongly overbought. We saw the dip. Now it is strongly overbought. We may see the dip. Now, whenever we see RSI is, in past, whenever see we have seen NG going to overbought levels, it has shown a good drop. It went below, above, and RSI was overbought, and it has shown a good drop. Similarly, now also we can expect a good drop from here, and NG mostly whenever it tries to do so, it follows with a drop retracement, and then it tries to continue the rise here. So I'll be watchful and cautious. Whenever NG has gone above these levels, it can try to retrace back a bit on the downside to bring it back into the normal zone. So yes, couple of red candles can be expected. It's still very much in the bullish zone. So let me give you the trading levels now for NG for next week and how we can make good profits here. So next week, first let's talk about where to go short. See, it is going to be a swing week. You can go short at 6.22, where you can take a short entry, and yes, it may try to get this levels. You can expect below 6.22, you can expect 6.02 the next target. Here NG may get a stronger support. See, from $6 levels we can expect NG to bounce back again. So this level is going to be important, and only if it sustains below $6, I'll expect that it may act mildly bearish for throughout the week. If it sustains below $6 levels, we can expect that it is going to act little bit bearish for the rest of the week. Then 5.8 is the target, and then 5.66 is the target. It can try to achieve this zone. So yes, you can take an entry here with the stop loss. But see, whenever you take an entry, you should keep a very nearby stop loss so that you should not lose much, and one can try to enter again and again. If you see it bouncing back again and trying to reverse, one can try to enter again. But always try to shift your stop loss at cost so that you should not lose anything whenever it tries to eat your stop loss also. But see, the next target is 6.02, and if it drops below this, it can try to, and if it drops and sustain below this, the next target is this zone. One can remain bearish, one can expect it to drop sharply towards 5.8, $5.66 levels also. But we can expect it to swing it a bit, at hence a bounce back can be expected, and any long entry should be taken at around 6.54 levels. Here you can take a long entry for the rest of the week. Next target 6.6, nearest resistance. You can expect it to in fact swing it in this zone, and beyond 6.6 we may expect that it is going to hit directly towards 6.83 and 6.95 and $7.02 levels. It can rise till here. This is the monthly target. It has to achieve 7.02, but before that it can try to drop till towards 5.8, 5.6. So largely it is a buy the dip month, where you can still remain long on NG. Even whenever you see it at taking a drop, you can buy it, and you can definitely keep the positions throughout this month of April. Only couple more weeks left, and you can definitely make profit by trading remaining bullish on NG. So this is all for NG for next week. And see, these strategies and how to analyze the charts are very simple, very easy, and there are a couple more interesting strategies by which you can make sure sort profit. You can be part of my mentorship batch, or else you can be part of VIP signals group, where by trading the levels definitely you can make good profit trading the levels as suggested by me. So you can reach out to me for your trading or trading related queries. My email and telegram IDs are mentioned in the description. I'll definitely revert to you with the detail of the whatever queries you have. Now let's start with oil. Now this is the daily charts for oil, and you can see on the daily charts it has taken the support here. Now though it went below the critical support at $95 levels, but largely it is it has completed the journey here. So this was the level from which the bullish breakout has happened. It has completed the journey. In fact, try to drop once, got the support, lower highs, tried to retrace back again, and now again getting a support. So yes, uh, oil also is largely bullish and trying to rise from here, may see a good rise, but if it breaks and sustains below this zone at $90, one can remain bearish on crude oil. Till the time it remains above $90, one can expect it to rise again. The next target should be at around 100 to 103 levels. And yes, it may try to swing it a bit between 105 to 95 levels. So this is what it appears on the daily charts. Also look at this. Also look at this here. See, previously, the drop took it till $92 levels. This time, the drop took it to 94, 93.5 levels, and lower highs is you can say higher lows is what we can see here. With this as support, it is trying to retrace back again. So probably this zone, if it sustains above $99 levels, if oil sustains above $99 levels, you can consider that the reversal has started, and probably it may try to hit 102 and $105 levels again. So I'll be cautious there. Now let's have a look at the weekly chart. Look at the weekly charts out there. See, it has already filled this gap, but yes, still there is a little gap available at $91 levels, but it has largely completed this in the previous drop. However, now if you see, it is largely trading with this as support, trying to squeeze out a bit here, trying to trade in this narrowing triangle. So this is what the weekly charts say. If it drops below 94, then 92 and 91 should come into picture. And anyways, we can be bearish only once we see oil below $90 levels. If it trades below $90 levels, one can definitely expect that a sharper drop is on the cards there. Till the time it is above $90 levels, we can expect it to go back again till towards 105, $104 levels. Now look at the previous candle here. Look at the See, this candle suggests indecision. Indecision means markets neither expected it to, neither bulls were taken in control, nor bears were in control this week, and candle closed in red, but still it was a largely indecisive candle. Now, next week, probably it may try to go back again. It may open lower. It may try to form higher lows here. Look at the previous candles, higher lows, and the support at $94 levels is existent. So if you see it trading below 94, then only one can remain bearish. Else, till the time it is above 94, it may try to go back again till towards 105. So we may see a reversal from here. Achieving 94, one can take a long entry. One can expect it to rise to towards $105 levels again. So this is what we can see on the weekly charts, but breaking 90, one can definitely remain short here. Now coming back to the monthly candle. On the monthly charts, you can find that either it has to sustain below this level, then only you can consider this as bearish, and then it may try to drop sharply. It may try to reverse and achieve $80 levels. Now previous month, the bulls failed to take control here, left the candle with a larger wick and very smaller body. Look at this, the body size had continuously diminished, and this was the time when bulls just closed the long orders and now trying to retrace back a bit. However, now this month, if you look at, it has achieved higher lows, and next time whenever you see it trading above $99 levels, one can definitely remain long on oil, and one can expect it to rise again. How high it could go? The first support at 105, then 110, and in fact it can achieve higher highs. It can give you a sharper green candle in the month of April, where the target should be at around 120. So see, till the time it remains above 94, one can expect it to rise again. Below $90 levels, one can definitely be bearish. We can expect sharper red candle also. So I'll be watchful of that. Now let's have a look at the indicators. What does the indicators are suggesting here? And indicators on the daily charts, if you look, See, on the daily charts, oil is trading at the bottom of the Bollinger Bands out there. It may not try to go out of it, but at the same time, there is a larger resistance from the 50 period and the median of this Bollinger Bands at around 104, 105 zones. So first resistance at $100 levels, and then 104, 105 zone should come into picture. So a probable long entry is only about $99 levels. Beyond that, you can expect $100 first target and then 102 as the next target. And if you see it trading below this zone, that is $94 levels, then only I will recommend you to go short. In fact, one can go short at 96.8. One can expect 95 and $94 levels, and one can in fact take a long entry at $94 levels and expect it to rise till towards 104, 105. That is what is the strategy one can adopt here. Look at the daily stochastic near to oversold zone, and from here a rise can be expected. Similarly, MACD is wide, divergent, and from here it should start converging, means we can expect the green candles to start appearing from here, and hence one can remain bullish on oil again. And once you see it trading above $99 levels, one can remain long on oil and expect this month itself we may see 110, $120 levels again on oil. So trade accordingly. This is all from my side, but let me give you the trading levels now. So if you see oil trading up anytime, any point of time next week, if you see it trading above 99.08, one can take a long entry. Then the target is $100, and beyond $100, the next target is 101.8 and 103.5. It can rise till there. It can in fact try to achieve 104 and 105 also. This zone is very important for oil. It may give a stronger resistance, and definitely beyond that we may fly, and sky is the limit above this. Also on the downside, if you see it trading below 96.8, you can take a short entry. See, the short entry can be short lived. Remember, the short entry can be short lived. Beyond 96.8, the next target is towards 95.23, then 94.7, and then 94 levels. So if you see, it can achieve this target and reverse from here. It can achieve this target and reverse from here. Possibly it may not try to go till towards $94 level. And only bearishness for gold, for oil, is below 94, where the next target is 92, and then on the downside we can expect $90, and beyond $90 levels, sky is the limit. It can fall strongly towards $80 levels in this month of April itself. However, I largely expect it to remain bullish until the time it remains above $90 levels. One can always expect that it is going to give you a sharper bounce back, and it may try to hit 104, $105 levels again. And in fact, if it bounces back from 95, it will try to hit 110, 120 levels again this month of April itself. So this is all from my side for crude oil and natural gas. If you like and appreciate my effort, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment, friends. You are my family. You are my support. You have got me all this levels, and now you will take me all further. So please support the channel, share it across, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Also, be part of my VIP signals group and the mentorship group. Definitely, the strategies taught in my mentorship group will help you benefit throughout your life. So, first, invest in your learning. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training related queries. Thank you very much. And yes, my email ID and Telegram ID is mentioned in the video description and channel description. So, reach out to me. Thank you very much. Have a great, profitable trading week. Thank you.